Hello Junior Learning House, my name is Pat and we're back with another video. Let's have a look. This is a maths lesson and we're doing maths matrix for weeks 4 and 5. All these other boxes are coloured in because we've done them, so if you haven't done them yet, maybe go back and watch the videos. They're all here and we're doing this one, number 8, addition dice, meaning plus or adding. So roll 2 dice and add up the answer. Predict how many more times you would have to roll the dice to make a number over 100. Wow. Now keep on rolling the dice to test your prediction. How many times do you need to roll the dice? Interesting. Okay, so there's lots to talk about, lots to unpack here. But first, let's set up our book. So if you could please set up your book so it looks like mine with the word addition dice. And there's the date. So you'll need 2 dice, or if you go into Google and you type in roll a dice, it'll do one for you. And you could just click it twice and then you've got 2 numbers. So make sure you've got the heading and let's roll the dice. Here we go. The first number is 2, so I'm going to write 2. We're doing addition, so I'm going to write plus. The next number is, and that answer is 3. So what I'm going to do, and what I'm going to suggest to you, is make a couple different columns. So I'm going to slowly rule down. If you've got a ruler, great. And I'm going to make a few different columns. So I'm going to put all of my questions here as we try and get up to 100. I'm going to put the total in here. And I'll show you what that means. And I'm going to predict that it's going to take me, let's say, 20 rolls of the dice to get up to 100. So I'm going to have to roll these dice 20 different times. Will it be more? Will it be less? Let's find out. So the total at the moment is 3. Okay. Well, let's roll the dice again. Well, now we have 6 plus 1. So we do the next sum. 6 plus 1 is 7. And we add those 2 numbers together. So 3 plus 7 is 10. That's our total. But we need to get to 100, so we need to keep going. I roll it again. I get 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. You can count the dots, of course. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, well, 10 plus 10 is 20. We're not up to 100 yet. We keep going. I have 6 plus 1, just like before. Well, I already know that 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, we need to add 7 to 20. So maybe what you might have to do is you might have to do another sum, and you might have to write down this. 20 plus 7 equals 27, and then keep going. So you might have to do 2 different sums, and that's okay. Let's do the next one. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So there's our total. 27 plus 7 equals, count on your fingers if you need to, 34. Let's roll again. 3 plus 1 equals 4. We're going to add that to 34. So 34 plus 4 equals 38. Getting closer to 100. Roll again. 3 plus 1 again. Isn't that funny? So that's another 4. So we do 38 plus 4 equals 42. We're almost halfway there. 3 plus 1 again. We have to roll these dice a little better, I suppose. 42 plus 4 equals 46. Let's roll these dice separately. Let's roll it a little bit better. Okay, 2 and 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 46. 46 plus 5 equals 51. So what I would do is I would write the heading, addition dice, I'd write the date. I'd have a column for your running total that you add to, so your total gets bigger and bigger and bigger. I'd write another column that just has your equations with the dice, and I would write another column that has your prediction. I think it's going to take 20 rolls. So I'm going to keep going in this video and show you what it's going to look like at the very end. So let's keep going. So 1 and 6. Well, thank goodness that's a little bit bigger. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 51 plus 7 equals 58. Let's keep going. 1 and 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 58 plus 6 equals 64. Getting closer now. We've got 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 64 plus 8 equals 72. Let's keep going. 6. Hooray, another 6. 6 and 2. Again. 6 plus 2 equals 8. It's like we're practicing our skip counting by our 8s. So 72 plus 8 equals 80. 2 and a 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 80 plus 6 equals 86. Oh, we've got a 5. That's a good big number. And we've got another 5. 10. Fantastic. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 86, which we got from there, plus 10 equals 96. There we go. And we don't have to land exactly on 100. That's fine. 4 plus 6. Oh, well, we've definitely gone over 100 now. So 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 96 plus 10 equals 106. There you go. So we got over 100, and that's the aim of the game. So let's count all that maths, all that rolling. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm counting how many times I had to roll. 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There you go. Now, it took 16 rolls to get there. So the actual amount, or how many times I actually rolled, was 16 rolls. Now, if you want to be really, really extended and challenge yourself, the difference between 20 and 16, well, 17, 18, 19, 20 is 4. Or you could have done 20 minus 16. Difference of 4. So there you go. 20, I predicted 20 rolls. The actual amount was 16, and the difference was 4. So fairly close. So recap on what we did today. Heading, addition, dice. We've then got the dates. Then we've done all of our rolls. We've done our totals, our prediction, our actual number, and the difference. And that's it for today. And the best thing is, once you're done, we can go back to our homework sheet and we can bring it up and we can say, okay, well, we've done this one now, so we can color it in and we know it's done. So make sure, if you can, your parent or carer takes a photo, sends it to your teacher. But that's it for today. So we'll see you again for another video very soon. Bye.